What's up, my beautiful people? How are you doing today? I wanted to talk about a problem that a lot of us have. Well, it's actually something that I see a lot as I'm doing consultations. People are afraid of using lace-based hair systems, Swiss lace systems, which can look absolutely incredible on you. But they fear it because of one main point, which is that if they're going to use adhesive, that adhesive is going to leak through the system. It is going to get into the hair. It is going to be a nightmare to clean, maybe impossible to clean, ruin the hair, ruin the system, and very, very hard to manage. That is actually very true. That is something that you're going to have to contend with if you're using a lace system. But there are some tips and tricks that will actually help you have a much better experience with a lace hair system and actually completely avoid those situations. So I want to give those tips to you today. That way you feel a lot more comfortable using a lace system. Okay, so here's the first one. Point number one is this. You need to make sure that you are not extending the duration which you are wearing an adhesive for too long. Now, a lot of people fall into the mistake of thinking that if you are going to wear a hair system, it's got to be on as long as possible. And that for some reason, if you get an extra 3 to 4 days out of wearing the adhesive one time, that somehow you're saving time in a month. But that's just not true, because no matter what, first off, the more that your adhesive degrades, it literally dissolves and becomes like goo, the more difficult it's going to be to clean, and that's going to take much, much more time to actually clean it. So because of that, the first tip is this. Change your system, change your adhesive just a little bit more often. Don't go to the point of no return where the adhesive is leaking up through the system. If you do that, you're going to have a much, much better time with this process. The second tip that I have for you when it comes to using adhesive systems is that use tape instead of glue. It sounds simple, but a lot of people believe it's the opposite, that you should be using glue with your systems that are lace, but it's just not true. With a lace system and tape, you have the ability to not have it dissolve and then re-glue and then dissolve and re-glue. Generally, tape is more stable, and therefore you're going to get a good 7 to 10 to 14 days off of that tape with no issues. It's not going to dissolve down, but instead you'll have a solid piece that you can easily take off. Now, with that, what you're going to do, it's very, very simple. You can use C22, you can use a lace remover, or you can even use hot water by running the tape under hot water. Now, you don't want it to be there a long time, and you don't want it to be scalding or boiling hot because that can damage the hair. But if you do use warm water, it will loosen the bond of the adhesive to the base of the system, and that will make it much easier to peel off so that way you don't lose hair. Okay, now let's move to the third point that I have for you when it comes to how to avoid this situation. Now, the next one is that you need to use a scalp protector. Scalp protectors are incredibly useful for this type of issue because what they do is they form a bond between your scalp and even the adhesive, and it is a layer of liquid that dries and seals that the tape actually sits on top of. That will give you an extra 3, 4, 5 days of very good hold. It will be literally firmer to your scalp, a better hold, and for longer, and it will help it not dissolve. So these are absolute must for you. Okay, now if you do get that type of adhesive inside of your system, you are going to have to make some moves that are going to be tough. Now, in a future video, I'm going to be showing you how to use potentially a water pick or a irrigator, a mouth irrigator, as a tool. It's something that was shown on our Reddit community. Someone came up with a really good idea, so I figured I want to make a video on it. But if you don't have that, what you can do is you can use the mirror slide technique that we see a lot inside of the Reddit community, people that are using. And the mirror slide technique is where you're going to apply some C22 to the base of the system. You're going to let it sit there for a little bit, and then you're going to actually kind of smack your system up against the mirror and then slowly pull it down. And what that should do is actually pull some of the adhesive out, but don't be too brutal with that because you don't want to actually pull out your hair or rip the system. It's something you need to be very gentle with, but that can work very, very well. Okay, so hopefully that was a little bit of information, but the ultimate thing is, guys, you don't have to be scared of using a lace system. All you need to do is go out there, follow these steps, and everything's going to be okay.